Hello everyone. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So today in this video, I am going to teach you how to do setting in Zoom. For doing the setting in Zoom, you have to go in the Chrome, Google Chrome, click on it. Then you have to type in the search Zoom. After clicking on Zoom, click on sign in. So here what we will do, setting. So in the meeting you can see the down arrow, setting is given, click on setting. This setting will be done for the all the session. So here student, you can see some security is given. In that new page, securities are given. So waiting room, you have to keep it enable, keep it enable over here. Meeting password, it should be locked. Personal ID you want to make, you can make personal ID also. Require passcode for participant joining by phone, automatic it will generate. We can invite with the link, keep it enable. Only authenticated user can join meeting, no, keep it disable. Approve or block entry for the user from the specific country, disable. Allow use of end-to-end script, this also keep it disable. Someone host, then you can make it enable. Participant video should be on, so keep it on. So who will participate, the video will be on. Allow participant to join before host, no, it should be disabled. After coming to the host only, the participant can join. Enable personal meeting ID, yes, keep it enable. Use personal email meeting ID, PMI, it means personal meeting ID. When scheduled meeting, keep it disable. Use personal meeting ID when starting an instant meeting, this also disable. Meet all the participants when they join a meeting, enable. Upcoming meeting reminder, if you want, if you generated some meeting schedule you have done, if you want a reminder, then keep it enable. This all keep it disable only. If you can see, allow private chat, it is given. Allow meeting participant to send a message visible all the participant, keep it disable. Private chat, if you want, you can keep it on, but we don't want, so we will keep it disable. Auto saving chat, if you want, we don't want. Sound notification when someone join or leave the meeting, keep it disable. This also we don't want. File transfer, a student can do the transfer of file if they want, keep it on. Now feedback to the Zoom, we don't want, keep it disable. Display end of meeting experience feedback survey, keep it disable. Always show the meeting control toolbar, disable. Show Zoom windows during the screen share, don't want. Screen sharing, yes, sometimes we share the PDF, sometimes we share the Word file and the PPT, then keep it on. Who can share, only host can share the screen, no participant, so host will click. Who can start meeting sharing when someone else is sharing, only host. If we allow, then participant only can share the screen. Annotation, sometimes the students are doing scribbling on the screen, keep it off, so they cannot do the annotation on that. Whiteboard we need, yes. Remote control, no, keep it enable. This all setting, meeting reaction setting all done. Emoji, yeah, emoji student can use all the emojis, selected emoji also we can keep. When to rename themselves, yes. Hide participant profile picture in a meeting, don't keep hide. Report to Zoom, breakout room we don't want, if we want we can do it. Close caption, save captions, this all keep it disable only. Virtual background, keep it on. Video filter on. Immersive view on. Rest all will keep the same, nothing will change, it will be remain same. Now when attendees join meeting before host, notify a host when participants join the meeting before them, yes. keep it enabled. When a meeting is cancelled, notify host and participant when the meeting is cancelled. All is done. So here we have done a setting. So go back, setting is done. So if you on your Zoom app, so I will click on schedule meeting chapter 1 maths. On 25/4 timing is given. So all setting is already done. This option is enabled. Any meeting option that you change here will be applied to all the meeting that use meeting personal meeting ID. Require meeting passcode. All is done. Automatic. Advanced option if you do, you can check allow participant to join before host. Off we are done. Automatic record meeting. If you want to record meeting, keep it on. So recording location, don't need to do anything. So here all thing is done. Now from here invite will go, copy clipboard, wherever you want to share this meeting link, then you can go to the GC means Google Classroom also you can send this link, or in the WhatsApp also you can share the link with your student.